Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain how to count items in a filter list. So it means whenever we are applying filter we can exclude that filter items and show remaining totals list. Okay, so that is the meaning of this count items in a filter list. So let's suppose I will show you one simple example. So first I will apply filter. Just press Ctrl Shift L, select any one cell in this particular data, press Ctrl Shift L. See, automatically filters are enabled. So now I will apply any one filter. So just I will remove this option, click on OK button. See, total 24 records are found. Out of that only 22 is gets highlighted here. Okay, why? Because two are same, so that's why that records are excluded. So this is the fine, right? Now if I navigate to another sheet and come back again sheet 1, see, automatically this records status is disappear in this status bar. Okay, now scenario is, if you even we are moving to one sheet to another sheet, we can show that filter records information in this particular sheet. So these type of scenarios we can use this filter list. Now I will explain how to count items in a filter list. Okay, now I will show you. Okay, so just I will press Ctrl Z again. So right now we don't have any customizations in this particular data. Now what I will do, I will create one simple table first. Just press Ctrl T. So click on OK button. See, now table is created. Once table is created, first what I will do, I will count total rows. Okay, so by using rows function. So before applying this function, what I will do, I will rename this table name. Okay, go to design tab. So this table name is table 3. Now I will rename this table name as property. Okay, that's it. Once we are rename this table name, now I will apply this rows function to calculate total rows presented in this particular table. Okay, rows, just give table name as a property. Okay, see here, just double click on this, just close this bracket and hit enter button. See, total 24 rows are presented in this particular table. Now what I will do, I will calculate subtotal total of these rows. Okay, so what exactly this subtotal function will do, to exclude filtered or hidden rows in this particular table. Okay, so that's why I'm using this subtotal function. Okay, so equal subtotal, then here we have option called different types of options are available. See, we are using counter is exclude blank cells. Okay, so that's why I'm using counter is 103. Okay, 103 comma. So next references. So first reference I will give this table, then I will take any one reference in this particular header. So I'm taking address. Okay, first I will give table name first, property, right? Table name property, select this. In this table I have select any one header column name, so I am taking address. Okay, just close this bracket and hit enter button. See, now total rows data along with total columns data is available in this particular table. Now I will apply filter. Okay, so now I will apply filter on address, right? Just remove this. See, name get changed. Again I will apply one more filter in price. Click on OK button. See, again it will show dynamically, right? Now what I will do, I will clear all filters. Instead of showing these numbers, I want to show some message in this particular column. Okay, So to overcome this type of issues, we need to use one formula. Okay, so first what I will do, I will give one message. Okay, showing x of y, okay, properties. Okay, now in this x of y places, we are just simply replace with these formulas. Okay, now first I will replace with this subtotal formula in x of column. Okay, so first remove this x, open double quotes, again using concatenation function. Okay, and now I will use subtotal function. Okay, subtotal, then same we can remove, give 103, then give property. In this property we are just mention address. Okay, close this bracket. Okay, then I will again insert unfunction. Okay, and we are using off right here, off, again I mention un, then I will insert rows. In these rows we are simply mention table name, property. Okay, then use unfunction, and just we are mention properties. Okay, just hit enter button. So the formula is missing an open or closing parenthesis here, I think. Just hit enter button. See, automatically it will show this message, right? I will use showing 24 of 24 properties. Now I will apply filter on this data. Deselect this, select any one addresses, click on OK button. See, automatically it will show this message. Okay, so like this we can count items in a filter list. Total 24 properties, 8 is filter out. Okay, like this we can count items filters in table. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you. So before I will forget one thing to explain. See here guys, in this formula, whatever formula enter over here, just we are replace that formula into this x place, and whatever formula we are enter in rows place, same thing we are replace over here. Okay, so first we will calculate total data. Subtotal is exclude whatever filter data that is excluded from this subtotal function. So that's why I have mentioned in place of x, and it will calculate total rows, right? Total rows is replaced in y data. So same thing we are mentioning in this formula. Okay, so that is the major important thing we have to understand, only these two things. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.